So, with the power vested in me as the presiding officer of this august body, I hereby declare this session into order. May I please request everyone to stand up for the opening prayer, to be followed by the singing of the Pambansang Awit. Tabi. Opening prayer to be led by Honorable Recto Valeriano.
Please stand for the opening prayer. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Diyos Saki, as in Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, salamat sa mga oras na ini. Nagkatiripon po kami gabos para sa obligasyon kan sa muya po tabing sinumpaan ng mga trabaho as in sa amo po tabi pagservis sa banwaan sa bulan. Kagurangnan, sinabi mo magkasaro, pagkaduwaya, ang kapirmi sa mo sa sentro, gabayan mo kaming mga servidor kan sa muya po tayong banwa ang kambulan. Sa oras po na ini hanggang matapos ang sa muya pagtiripon, ya ang pirmi kan sa muya po tabing kaligtasan sa mugabos, sa pamilya, asin sa bilog kabanwaan sa bulan. Kagurangnan, ang gabos na ini hinagad mi para matuninong asa moya po tabing pag-iristoryahan sa sesyon na ini mantang kami po tabi ang pagserbi sa banwaan sa bulan para sa bayan adin sa gabos tabi. Hinagad mi sa imo kagurangnan sa ngalan ng Ama, Diyos Aki, asin Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiging kanas ng sinangalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y kulay. Lupang pinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisitil, sa nagatang tugong sa simoy at sa langit kong pagaw, ay hinatang tula, kawit sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang islang lang matawag mo'y tagumpay na nagkikinig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan ang hindi magkikinig. Lupa ng araw ng walhagit pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ibigaya na pagkay mag-api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you po. Mr. Secretary, may we proceed with the roll call?
Thank you, Your Honor. Attendance for the 40th regular session dated April 20, 2026. Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga,
Present.
Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr., Honorable Renz Alergi Guelas, Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola,
Present, Tabi.
Honorable Geoffrey O. Asur, Honorable Vincent T. Hao,
Present.
Honorable Junita G. Guelas,
Present po.
Honorable Recto G. Valeriano,
Present.
Honorable Rodel G. Helilio,
Present.
and Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Your Honor, I attest to the presence of quorum.
Thank you po. May we proceed now to the reading and consideration of the minutes of the session, Tabi.
Minutes of the 39th regular session of the 20th Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, held on the 13th day of April 2026 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, New Legislative Building. This municipality. Present were Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga, Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr., Honorable Renz Alergi Guelas, Honorable Geoffrey O. Asur, Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola, Honorable Vincent T. Hao, Honorable Junita G. Guelas, Honorable Recto G. Valeriano, Honorable Rodel G. Helilio, and Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Absent none. The regular session was called to order at 9:22 in the morning. The presiding officer, Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, requested the SB members to stand up for the prayer and singing of the Pambansang Awit. The invocation was led by Councilor Rodel Helilio, followed by the playing of the Pambansang Awit on audio recorder. The presiding officer requested the secretary to the Sanggunian to call the roll. The presiding officer declared the presence of quorum. While the secretary was reading the minutes of the regular session dated April 6, 2026, Councilor Recto Valeriano moved for its adoption, seconded by Councilor Rodel Hilillo with no amendment. Councilor Geoffrey Asur moved to adopt the minutes of the special session dated April 7, 2026, seconded by Councilor Recto Valeriano.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Nanenguelas.
if there are no further question or clarification regarding the previous session held on April
Second, the
13,
motion.
I respectfully move for its approval.
Second.
There is a pending motion. Any objections? Hearing none, pursuant to the motion by Honorable Nanenguelas and timely seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, the dispensing of the reading and the approval of the minutes of the previous session is hereby approved.
We have no question, or Your Honor. May we proceed with the first reading and referrals of measures or communication? For item number 1, we have proposed resolution number 2026188, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the barangay government of Zone 7, Bulan, Sorsogon, in the amount of 500,000 pesos, intended for the repair and rehabilitation of the barangay multipurpose building in Barangay Zone 7, Bulan, Sorsogon, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Referred to the Committee on Appropriations.
Item number 2 is proposed resolution number 2026189, barangay realignment of Lahong for 8,400 and Zone 2 for 115,000, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Referred to the Committee on Appropriations.
Item number 3 is proposed resolution number 2026187, resolution granting new accreditation to the Argerona Lapinig Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association with office address at Argerona, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes, introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur. Cooperative.
Referred to the Committee on Cooperatives.
Item number 4 is proposed resolution number 2026186, resolution granting new accreditation to the United Fishermen Association of Sorsogon with office address at Zone 6, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes, introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur.
Referred to the Committee on Cooperatives.
Item number 5, proposed resolution number 2026168, submitted MDC resolution number 11 series of 2026 entitled Resolution approving and endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan the national programs, projects, and activities for inclusion in the annual investment program for 2026 for their adoption and approval, introduced by Councilor John Rainier Gordola.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable J.R. Gordola.
for the item number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Motion for approval po, Mr. Chair. Tabi.
Second, the motion.
Second the motion.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Chito Hao.
before the approval, hindi po na item number 7, nabilin ini halos 1 year na.
Mao.
Nakabit na ini,
Mao.
na natrabaho na, saka binutang sa MDC.
Ano yun eh?
In item number 7.
Seven.
So, ang documents hindi, ano pa ba? Pwede pa ba? Kasi 1 year na eh. Last year, pag ini pa rin.
May an explanation ni Sir Chin kanina, kaya hinapot ko naman po ini kanina, Mr. Chair. And sabi niya sa ako na mao daw po ini nabili na saro na attachment tabi dito sa 4 na MDC resolution. So Sir Chin, tama po. Tulo lang po ito na napa-approve na to an kasabay po sa niha. So mao po ini nabibilin na lang.
Bali, may unsin MDC resolutions na 5 na yung pa-approve dapat last
Ito,
week.
lima pala
Last
ito.
week. Kaya lang, na-imod ko lang ang sayo. Kaya mao na-include ko last week. Niyan, since sinabihan ako ni Jess na may upat pa palan, kaya in-include ko gihapon tabi dide.
Mr. Chair, ang ano ko lang is 2025 pa ini na na 1.4 million from MDRM. Yun na in trabaho sa gymnasium. February yata pa yun. February. So, halos lapses na ang documents. Hindi na, ano to hindi. Kasi niyan lang sila nag-MDC.
When you, Honorable Chito Hao, when you mention na nag-lapse na ang mga documents, nano na documents in particular, Tabi?
Kasi
ang
natrabaho
tutukoy
na
mo?
ini bago ang MDC.
Okay.
Last year pa ini trinabaho by February.
Opo.
Last year 2025. So nano kay niyan lang nagkaigwasan MDC?
May
Last year pa yun.
Nag-MDC na sara last year.
Dili, wala. Nano kay niyan lang ini? Na MDC.
Think. Na-mention yun ni Councilor dati. May alam ko ba yun sir sin pinaano na MDC sa ko.
Which is, Mr. Chair, I have no objection.
Reservations.
So, hapot lang po ako kay halos 1 year ago na ini na
Mao.
natrabaho na, nagangalas lang kami kay nano kay
Na kay niyan lang.
niyan lang ang pa-aprobaran ang MDC.
Na kay Tabi, niyan lang ini na MDC resolution.
Ang aram ko, Mr. Chair Tabi, may naprubahan na kita pa di na na MDC po para sa ceiling fan baga. Wala ito na ini na shed sa generator. Wala sa to ang shed. So may shed na ini.
Piniriyan na.
Oo. Basta may naprubahan kita pa din na na MDC last year. Na nag-argument pa ang sa
Doon.
So nakakabigtaan ang ceiling fan sa alam nagka-MDC.
Yeah, yun nga, yun ang
Nag-ano na ba kami sa Tony Gordon na nag-argue ba na kami sa ito? Kaya dumdumang mo ini, kaya nga napapahan kami yung searching. Kung may naman.
With regard, Tabi, sa mga papeles na intutukoy, Tabi, ni Honorable Chito Hao, may ba na papeles na nag-lapse na dahil last year pa siya?
Wala man Tabi, Mr. Chair. Kay aram ko na proceed man po ito eh.
Ang ko lang, Mr. Chair, kasi last year pa ini trinabaho. So niyan ipapa-approve ang MDC. Kasi niyan i-approve, di man pwede antedate ang MDC di ba? Kasi i-approve nato ini is April niyan 20. So trinabaho ini February 2025.
So, baga na ang naluwas, Tabi, nauna ang patrabaho,
Yeah. Sa MDC.
nahuli ang MDC.
Yun lang naman, Mr. Chair, ang ko, yung question.
Mr. Chair.
Ang hapon
Yes,
ko lang.
Honorable.
Pero
Neneng
yung
Duenas.
patrabaho na yun, wala man naging problema.
Alright, mga. Ceiling. Kasi, Mr. Chair, bago-baga kita magpatrabaho, dapat nasa AIP or
Dapat po.
pinag-meetingan sa MDC bago ipatrabaho. Yato, dili pa yata nag-MDC, pinatrabaho na.
Pero nasa AIP.
Ora, sige, pinahabol nito na. Pinahabol. Kaya, maski
Ang mga-
niyan pa lang nag-MDC.
So kung pinahabol ang MDC, so nag-approve man sila sa pahabol sa MDC.
Yun hindi ko alam kasi
Kasi na kay napatrabaho tapos wala man naging problema.
nauna nga niya ang trabaho. Direct pa nag-MDC, napatrabaho niya ito. Kaya,
Kung napatrabaho siya, ibig sabihin, nauna ang bidding process bago MDC?
yun, dapat nauna yung tiro ang, bago ang patrabaho, di ba? Kasi niyan tayo ini magiging approval eh.
Pero kasi, in-approve ka sa last year, yun lang na industrial fund.
Yeah.
Wala sa disag na
Ini kasi, Mr. Chair, hali ini sa MDRM mo fund. Hali ini sa MDRM. Dumdumong ko po ini, Mr. Chair. Kay, pina-approve ko tayo ini, kaso sa pag another session, rinibat na mo, kay wala pa nga ni MDC. So, nawara yun san for 1 year. Halos 1 year.
Pero na-approvean.
Wala.
Wala sa 20, pero may nag-aging sa 20.
Oh, pero wala ito ka Kaya, Mr. Chair,
Pero just to be clear and to put it on record, Tabi, ang proseso dapat sa mga pag-implementar sa mga infra o kung ano man katulad sa Ditabi, kaipuan MDC muna ha.
syempre.
Tapos pagkatapos ng MDC, tsaka lang makakapag-bidding. Hindi, bago muna ang patrabaho. May bidding pa. Diri pwede na bidding tapos MDC.
MDC mo na kasi din kukuha ng pondo ngayon, mahapot din kukuha ng pondo. Di sa ano. Eh, di pa nag-MDC, pinatrabaho na. Nakakabit na. Yun lang, question ko lang po, Mr. Chair, kasi approveran tayo niya na.
Mao. Unless may maka-explain po sa kung na kay bagan may irregularity sa process po sa pag-aprobar. At kung may maka-explain po kung na kay na orhian MDC, maybe we can consider proceeding. But kung wala man po maka-explain habo ko man din po mabutang kita sa alanganin, i-refer ko na lang po muna siguro.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
yung ang pending motion ko po,
5, 6, 7, 8.
opo, i-withdraw ko na lang po ang motion ko for approval sa number 7. Pero padagos ko po ang motion for approval sa 5, 6,
And 8.
and 8.
Yung 5, 6, and 8, hindi naman, it doesn't have the same consideration naman po. Na base may irregular process din po na wala man.
Mr. Chair,
Yes po, Honorable Rector Valeriano.
as a member of the Municipal Development Council, linatag sa MDC, sa MPDO, bago sa MDC.
Opo.
Inapruban sa mga members of the MDC ang nasabing mga itemized projects. Kaya na-proceed ang patrabaho dahilan inapprove man sa council sa MDC ang nasabing mga projects.
Opo.
Kaya san inapprove me as a representative sa civil society organization, good as approved sa level sa Municipal Development Council.
Opo.
Kaya na-proceed ini ng mga itemized projects. Then,
Opo. Well, ano po, okay, wala man po problema kung ma-approve siya. Ang concern ko lang po, unbidding process po baga sa after MDC resolutions pa. Tama po ba?
ang bidding naman na i-secured sa MPDO, siraan maka-explain sini kung nag-bid sira o kung ano basta ang trabaho sa MDC in-approve, then bahala na ng MPDO. Actually, Mr. Chair, ang manifestation ni Kuya G.R. Gordola as i-deferred and items number 7, okay man yan. Para
Ma-explain po sa
i-libertas sa MPDO for the invitation for the next session.
Opo.
And also, Mr. Chair,
Yes po.
pati ini na number 6, ini na under the Local Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Fund from the 2025 Special Trust Fund for Inclusion in the Annual Investment Plan. Pera po an amount sidi na bitaram.
Mr. Chair,
Yes po, Honorable.
thank you. Kasabay ini sa to na committee hearing to na saro. Ito na nauna na last week ata. Ito tama. Na yato ko sa to present ka sa committee hearing tama.
Mao yan.
Oh, mo ito kasabay ini pa di. So ini na 5, 6, 7 and 8. Mo ini mga kasarabay sa to. So Mr. Chair, since may argument tabi sa mga MDC reso, withdraw ko na lang po intiro na motion for approval. Is refer na lang tabi sa proper committee.
Mao.
Tabi.
Anyway, hindi naman po siya naka-certify as urgent, so pwede man talaga siya i-refer.
Mas may-
So, for items number 5, 6, 7, 8, just to clarify, we will refer it to your committee.
Mga tabi, Mr. Chair.
Okay po. So, Mr. Secretary, for the items under the first reading, items number 5, 6, 7, and 8, these proposed resolutions are hereby referred to the Committee on Appropriations. David.
Noted, Your Honor. We will now go to item number 9. Item number 9 is proposed resolution number 2026182, resolution granting new accreditation to the Quezon National High School Alumni Association with office address at Barangay Quezon, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes. Introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asu.
Refer to the Committee on Cooperatives.
Item number 10, proposed resolution number 2026181, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Gubat St. Anthony Cooperative, Gubat Sorsogon, relative to the implementation of the automatic payroll deduction system loan program for government employees of the local government unit of Bulan Sorsogon, introduced by Councilor Jopre Asur.
Ano po yun eh? Good governance po, no? Committee on Good... Yes po. Ano pong committee? Good governance po siguro? Okay, doon, ha? Sige po. Refer to the Committee on Good Governance.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola.
a motion for inclusion for the first reading. This
Sorry, Tabi.
resolution recognizing and commending the outstanding performance of Mr. Rodensa Adra during the conduct of UAAP Season 88 Chess Tournament List category, which brought honor and pride to the municipality of Bulan. And resolution recognizing and commending the outstanding performance of John Russell F. Forte, Alex Alian L. Didase, Harry F. Generalo, Rain Thea Sigueta, James Alfred Ihiray, Maria Gwen A. Gordola, Nathaniel A. Graida, during the conduct of Campus Journalist Best Radio Production held at Ormoc, which brought honor and pride to the municipality of Bulan. And resolution recognizing and commending the outstanding performance of Mr. Christian Mark Dalus during the conduct of UAAP Season 88 Chess Tournament Bliss category, which brought honor and pride to the municipality of Bulan. And resolution recognizing and commending the outstanding performance of Mr. Carl Dalus during the conduct of UAAP Season 88 Chess Tournament Bliss category, which brought honor and pride to the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon. And resolution recognizing and commending the outstanding performance of Ms. Josea Mariel Agne during the conduct of UAAP Season 88 Chess Tournament Bliss category, which brought honor and pride to the municipality of Bulan. And this resolution I move for approval and adoption.
Second motion, Mr. Chair.
There is a pending motion by Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola to include two resolutions.
Wait lang po.
Um,
1, 2, 3, 4.
5 resolutions, Tabi, commending our athletes po from Bulan sa mga larangan po na nakapaghatag sa glory po sa buong tuta. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the said resolutions, pa-furnish na lang, Tabi, can are hereby included and approved on first reading, Tabi. Si Sec, kukuha lang din ng resolution para po kan Vice Tesi.
Mr. Chair,
Yes po.
hello. I move for the inclusion for the first reading.
Second.
The resolution extending condolence to the bereaved family of the beloved former Vice Mayor Tesiguran, this municipality. Author, all SB member.
Second.
I move for the approval, Mr. Chair.
Okay po. Hearing no objections, the motion by Honorable Chito Hao to include and approve the resolution po pertaining to the unfortunate passing away of past Vice Mayor Tesiguran is hereby approved. Na-approve na? Na-approve na. I think mauna tabi ang first reading ta. Maybe we can proceed Sec po sa committee reports.
Opo, committee reports na yun.
Yes, ma'am.
Ikaw mo lang may comment.
We shall now go to the reading of the committee report, Your Honor. For the first committee report, submitted by Joint Committee on Barangay Affairs and Committee on Rules, Privileges, and Amendments, item number 21. Proposed ordinance number 15, 2026, an ordinance establishing the Bulan Barangay Legislative Assistance and Writing Support or BLOS program, providing technical and legislative consultancy service to barangay officials and other purposes. Our next subject is proposed ordinance number 17.
17. Anong item number po?
Nakabot 70. An ordinance mandating all barangays in the municipality of Bulan to designate a barangay sustainable livelihood program or SLP officer to assist in the Department of Social Welfare and Development in the monitoring and implementation of sustainable livelihood programs.
Okay po.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable J.R. Gordola.
thank you for those items po, for those two items. Item
13.
number 13 and
13
13
and
and
21.
21 po.
21.
Motion for
Ang recommendation,
adoption po.
Your Honor, hindi ko pa nabasa. Hindi ko pa nabasa ang
Ay, sorry po.
recommendation.
Sige, tabi.
Recommendation, Your Honor, is for proposed ordinance number 15, 2026, deferment, and for ordinance number 17, that's 2026, reschedule.
Okay. So, motion for adoption po sa committee report.
Second motion.
Any objections?
Second motion.
Hearing none, the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Rodel Hililio, Honorable Lenny Taguelas, and Honorable Recto Valeriano is hereby approved.
Our second committee report, Your Honor, is from the Committee on Appropriations and Budget, item number 2 and item number 3.
Item number 3.
So item number 2 is proposed resolution number 2026180, 2026 annual budget of Palali for 309,818 pesos and 29 centavos, and Calpi for 343,132 pesos and 30 centavos. Mga SK tabi pala nila. And next item is item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026179, 2026 barangay realignment budget of Danao for 100,000 and Eni Roque for 500,000. Recommendation: foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends motion for approval and to be included for second reading of proposed resolution number 2026180 and proposed resolution 2026179.
Any motion, Tabi?
Mr. Chair, tabi.
Yes, Honorable J.R. Gordola.
For the item number 2 and 3, motion for adoption and approval po.
Second
the
motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Lenny Taguelas, Honorable Rodel Hililio, Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola, and Honorable Recto Valeriano is hereby approved.
Next committee report, Your Honor, is from the Committee on Appropriations and Budget. Item number 1, proposed appropriation ordinance number 03-2026, realignment number 002-2026, from MOOE, Internet Subscription Expense, to MOOE, Telephone Expenses, in the amount of 30,000 of the Office of the Municipal Agriculturist. Second item is item number 5, proposed resolution number 2026176, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Cotton City Marketing Corporation for the supply and delivery of 2 units brand new garbage compactor truck used for solid waste management program in the total amount of 5,990,000 pesos through competitive bidding under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to 20% Municipal Development Fund under Solid Waste Management Program. Next item is item number 6, proposed resolution number 2026175, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Cotton City Marketing Corporation for the supply and delivery of school supplies used for 7K Kadunungan program in the amount of 6,949,246 pesos through competitive bidding under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to the general fund. Next item is number 9. Item number 9. Proposed Resolution number 2026155. Resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the Barangay Water and Sanitation Association or BAWASA of Barangay Hamorawon, Bulan, Sorsogon in the amount of 50,000 pesos intended to address low water pressure at Purok Tres or Cantilado and nearby households. Another item, Your Honor, is item number 14. Proposed Resolution number 2026153. 14.
14, Sir Chin.
Number,
Iba po ang 14.
item number.
Mautabi, mga double check ko man. Ang item po niya is 153.
153.
So 11.
Okay.
Resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the Municipality of Bulan to enter into a contract of agreement with the Institute of Human Genetics for the procurement of expanded newborn screening kit used for Rural Health Unit of LGU Bulan amounting 350,000 pesos. Another item is proposed resolution number 2026156.
Items
Number 8. Okay, tama.
Number 8.
So, resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the Municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Celis Consumer Goods Trading for the procurement of office equipment for the YAKAP registration program used at the Rural Health Unit 1 in the total amount of 189,600 pesos through small value procurement under Republic Act 12009, chargeable to trust fund. Next is proposed resolution number 2026164. Item number 7.
7.
Tama.
DC.
Submitted MDC resolution number 07 series of 2026 entitled Resolution Approving and Endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan Additional Programs, Projects, and Activities for Inclusion in the Annual Investment Program for 2026. For their adoption and approval. So, recommendation, Your Honor. Foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends motion to approve and be included in the second reading of proposed resolution number 03. Proposed appropriation ordinance
03.
03-2026. Proposed resolution number 2026176, 2026175, 2026155, 2026153, 2026152, and 2026164.
152.
Any motion?
Mr. Chair, tabi.
Yes, Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you. Under committee report po, items number 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11 po. Motion for adoption, tabi, and approval.
Second the motion.
Second.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, Honorable Rodel Hililio, and Honorable Linito Guelas is hereby approved.
Our next committee report, Your Honor, is proposed resolution comes from the Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries.
Items number.
Proposed resolution number 2026109.
Item
Item number 17.
17.
17.
Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor Honorable Romeo A. Gordola of the municipality of Bulan, province of Sorsogon, to allocate the amount of 100,000 pesos for the fisher folk livelihood training on the processing of laulao to be conducted on May 7 to 8, 2026 at Barangay Danao, Bulan, Sorsogon, North Coastal areas. Recommendation, foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends for the approval of the proposed resolution 2026109.
Tito, sa'yo mo po yun.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Recto Valeriano.
the proposed resolution number 2026-09, the lacking requirements was already submitted for the project proposal. And the next is the program design to the office of Municipal Mayor Gordola. And the fund ano po tabi sa support Laulaw sa office ni Mayor. So there will be a 2 days presentation of our livelihood program host Barangay Danao and clustered from Barangay Nasuhi, Inararan, GP Laurel, Namu. Every barangays we have a 5 participants with a total of 50 participants. So in this moment, Mr. Chair, since that the our proposed Laulao livelihood program as Fisher Folks livelihood training, so I move for the adaptation and approval of the committee hearing.
Second motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable Recto Valeriano, duly seconded by Honorable Rodel Hililio, is hereby approved.
Our final committee report, Your Honor, is from the Committee of the Whole. Subject, proposed resolution number 2026151.
Items number.
Item number 12. Resolution interposing no objection to the operation of SJK Processing Fish Mill located at Barangay Lahong, Bulan, Sorsogon for the production of fish meal and cutlets and for the operation of cold storage, ice plant, and other related activities. Recommendation, the committee hereby disapproves the legislative measure on motion of Councilor Vincent Howe, seconded by Councilor Aurel Gueras, but Chairperson Cheska Robles further ruled for refiling and separate measure upon completion of the preliminary requirements, especially the resolution of no objection from the concerned barangay and the endorsement from the LCE.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Chito Hao.
I move for the adoption the committee reports.
Second the motion.
Any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable Chito Hao, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola, is hereby approved.
We now go to second reading, Your Honor. For calendar of business, letter A, unfinished business, we have item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026119 for review, San Juan Bago Barangay Ordinance number 001 series of 2026 entitled An Ordinance Institutionalizing an Annual Barangay Family Day in Barangay San Juan Bago and setting a fixed date for its celebration, providing funds therefore and for other purposes. Introduced by Councilor Rodel Hililio.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable
under the
Rodel
finished
Hililio.
business, items number 1 and 2, 3, motion for defer, Mr. Chair. for
Second
waiting,
motion.
Final draft.
Second motion, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair.
Motion for deferment po.
Yes.
Okay po. Are there any objections? There's a pending motion. Hearing none, pursuant to the motion of Honorable Rodel Hililio, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, the proposed resolutions under The calendar of business, section A, unfinished business, items number 1, 2, and 3 are hereby deferred.
Items 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3 po.
Thank you po. We now go to letter B, business for the day. For item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-185, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Education relative to the implementation of the Basic Education Facilities Program in the municipality of Bulan, province of Sorsogon.
Mr. Chair, tabi.
Yes, Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Isabay ko na po ito na ang kaparehas alos kaupod po sa nina resolution. The same man po sa education, Department of Education. Items number 1 and 3, tabi, Mr. Chair. Motion for approval, tabi.
Second the motion.
Second the motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, pursuant to the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Linita Guelas, Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola, and Honorable Recto Valeriano, the proposed resolutions under business for the day, items number 1 and 3, are hereby approved on second reading.
Item number 2 is proposed resolution number 2026-184, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign and enter into a memorandum of agreement with Bulan Eye Care Center for the implementation of the PhilHealth Yakap Eye Benefit Package for children in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, po.
the proposed resolution number 2026-184, I move for the approval on second reading, Mr. Chair.
Second the motion.
Second the motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable Chito Hao, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano and Honorable Linita Guelas, is hereby approved.
Item number 4, proposed resolution number 2026-150, barangay realignment of Zone 6 for 25,000 and Zone 1 for 30,000. This was introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. Mr. Chair, tabi, isabay ko din po ito na sa barangay pa po. So, item number 4, proposed resolution number 2026-150. Item number 5, proposed resolution number 2026-149. And item number 6, proposed resolution number 2026-148. Motion for approval for the second reading.
Second
tabi.
the
Second the
motion.
motion.
Second the motion.
Pursuant to the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola and Honorable Recto Valeriano, the motion is approved, tabi.
We now go to item number 7. Proposed resolution number 2026-147, resolution granting new accreditation to Javier Sociedad Agriculture Cooperative or JSAC with office address at Purok 3, Hiliego Street, Barangay San Francisco, Bulan, Sorsogon for legal intents and purposes. This was introduced by Councilor Joffrey Asur and recommended for approval.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Chito Hao.
since the chairman of the Committee on Cooperatives is absent, so I am the member of the cooperative. I move for the approval, the proposed resolution number 2026-148 and the proposed resolution number 2026-138, and I move for the approval on second reading.
Second the motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable Chito Hao, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano and Honorable Linita Guelas, is hereby approved.
Number 7 and number 12. Secretary?
Opo,
Number 7 and
7 and 12. Item number 8 is proposed resolution number 2026-146, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Tataboy Kainan for the procurement of meals and snacks served during the awarding of security papers to BRAP beneficiaries and awarding of certification of appreciation to the barangays that conducted mass wedding in the total amount of 24,680 pesos through small value procurement under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to the trust fund. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
thank you. For the item number 8, proposed resolution number 2026-146, motion for approval for the second reading. po.
Second motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, Honorable Lenita Guelas, and Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola is hereby approved.
Item number 9, proposed resolution number 2026-145, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with Dream Builders and Tech Development Corporation for the furnishing of labor, materials, and equipment rental for the repair or improvement of RH1 building at Barangay Aquino, Bulan, Sorsogon in the total amount of 399,220 pesos through a small value, 399,220 pesos only through a small value procurement under Republic Act 12009, chargeable to trust fund. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable J.R. Gordola.
thank you po for proposed resolution number 2026-145, motion for approval for the second reading.
Second motion.
Second motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Lenita Guelas, and Honorable Recto Valeriano is hereby approved.
Item number 10, proposed resolution number 2026-143, 2026 SK annual budget of Sagrada for 424,351 pesos and 96 centavos. Zone 6 for 636,360 pesos and 01 centavo. Antipolo for 1,134,336 pesos and 61 centavos. And Bicol for 321,030 pesos and 08 centavo. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Mr. Chair po,
Yes, Honorable J.R. Gordola.
thank you po. For the two items po, items number 10, proposed resolution number 2026-143, and item number 11, proposed resolution number 2026-142. Paras po ini budget po sa barangay, Kaupo dan SK. Motion for approval po for the second reading.
Second.
Hearing no objections, the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano and Honorable Lenita Guelas is hereby approved.
For item number 13, Your Honor, we have proposed resolution number 2026-126 for review. Barangay Zone 5 Ordinance number 01 Series of 2026 entitled An Ordinance Prohibiting Open Burning of Garbage and Other Waste Material within the territorial jurisdiction of Barangay Zone 5, Bulan, Sorsogon, in the interest of public health, safety, and environmental protection, and providing penalties therefore. Introduced by Councilor Rodel Hilillo.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Rodel Hilillo.
there are two items. Items number 13, 14. Mr. Chair, motion for approval, Mr. Chair.
Second.
Motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable Rodel Hilillo, seconded by Honorable Lenita Guelas, Honorable Recto Valeriano, and Honorable J.R. Gordola is hereby approved.
Item number 15, proposed resolution number 2025-579 or the same, which is the same as proposed resolution number 2026-013, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Barangay Council of Sigad, this municipality, for the grant of financial assistance in the amount of 500,000 pesos intended for the procurement of a parcel of land designated as survey number 6874 portion with an area of 10,000 square meters located at Barangay Sigad, Bulan, Sorsogon for use to be used as barangay site and relocation site of informal settlers in the said barangay.
Mr. Chair, tabi.
Yes, Honorable J.R.
For that item po, proposed resolution number 2025-579, motion for approval, tabi.
Second the motion.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, is hereby approved.
Last item is proposed resolution number 2025-113, resolution granting new accreditation to the Bulan Matnog Coastal Transport Cooperative with office address at Barangay Zone 2, Ilawod, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes. Introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Chito Hao.
the proposed resolution number 2025-113, since nag-conduct na po sa sa committee hearing, so I move for the approval on second reading, Mr. Chair.
Second the motion.
Second.
Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable Chito Hao, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano and Honorable Lenita Guelas, is hereby approved.
We now go to business on the third and final reading. We have none, Your Honor. We now go to new business for next session.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Chito Hao.
since nakaagi baga na session, sa last session, may inano lang ako query about sa mga tindero-tindera na kulang pa sa 2,000 ang ayuda na ihatag kanila. Hanggang niyan, so halos 4 months na. Di ko lang po aram kung nano ang sa executive. Siguro ma-invite na lang po kita sa kung sino na pwede i-invite from budget and si Mamdang siguro kay siya nag-ano sa
7K.
7K and from executive po for next session, Mr. Chair.
Noted po. Mr. Secretary, pa-invite na lang po ang mga requested resource persons po ni Honorable Chito Hao for next session. Tabi.
Yes, Your Honor. Noted po. Thank you. We now go to announcement, Your Honor, from Accounting Office. Submitted a statement of cash flows and a statement of financial performance for the first quarter 2026 of Special Education Fund and General Fund. Another item is from the Accounting Office again, trial balance for March 2026 of General Fund, Special Education Fund, and Trust Fund. We now go to privilege hour, Your Honor. There being none, may we proceed with the adjournment,
Si
Your
ano
Honor?
po ata? Honorable Rodel Hililio.
Privilege speech po.
1 hour man lang yun.
Good morning, Mr.
Good morning po.
Good morning, dear colleagues.
Morning.
Gusto ko lang na ang 63 barangay, kunhain po niyan, agresibo man sa pag-implementar sa emergency, pagpapaluwasin mga fund sa kada barangay. So, ina-acknowledge ko lang po ang 63 barangay captain para po sa pag-agarang sa kanila po paghimo sin pag-aktibar sa emergency, sigon po sa pinaluwas po na consultation meeting ni Governor sa last week. Nakunhain po, minamandahan po ang mga barangay captain para po sa mga pagpaluwasin urgent na sa kanila po na QRA para po itabang sa ato po mga tricycle driver or another tricycle driver sa ato po munisipyo sa Bolan. So, pinapaabot ko lang po ang sayo po na paghatag sin onra para pagbation ang sa ato po mga barangay captain na sa kanila po ginibo ang sa kanila po obligasyon. So, sayo po yon sa kuya po privilege na kunhain po talagang yaadiman ang ato po mga kapitan sa sabi nga ni Didi sa sa ato po pag-abot sa ato po mga drivers or iba pa na ahensya na kunhain sakop sa ato po mga barangay captain na iba pa na mga apektado sa ato po krisis didi po na nababatian sa munisipyo sa Bulan maging sa ato po palibot sa probinsya sa Sorsogon na kung hain ang diri lang po nakatutok an ato po mga kapitan sa mga para driver kundi nag-iisip man an ato po mga kapitan kung ano po tabi ang lalo pa na maitabang para sa mga paralawod magin man po tabi sa ato mga parauma. So yan po ang sa ako po privilege para po sa ato po mga barangay captain na sayo man lugod na pinapasalamatan ta sira para po sa kanila po inhimo po na kanila po pagtabang sa ato po mga inaagi po na krisis. Then panduwa, Mr. Chair, sa privilege, ini po tabi na sa tuya po na napag-istoryahan na po namo ni Councilor Ricto Valeriano, think madagos kami sa aga, para po sinipo tabi na sa ato po na nakakaperwisyo ng mga barko sa ato mga paralawod didi po sa ato na kadagatan na kung hain hali po ini sa ato po pier san Kumadkad ba yon o Castilla na minaagi po tabi ini sa ato po kadagatan hali po in sa Siargao papunta po sa Castilla na kunhain po pinapaabot niya to na siguro sa ahensya sini po tabi malakaw namo na kunhain po tabi na magibo ta an medyos para po tabi maiwasan an ato po mga paralawod na kunhain po daghan na po na didistroso na mga paralawod na sinda po lugod ang nag-iiwas sini na barko para diri po tamaan ang kanira mga hikot. So daghan na po ang mga reported as in observation nato na kunhain po tabi linakaw naman po nato ini na nakikiistorya po kita sa sayo po na kapitan sin barko po sa mga nakaagi po na simana na kung hain nakihuron po kita na iwasan ini po na circumferensya sa ato po kadagatan na igwa po sin mga paralawod na didistrosar sa kanira po mga hikot. So, sayo po, sa amo po dito na pag-istoryahan, kaupod may po tabi ang Coast Guard, na kunhain po napag-uyunan o parang napag-istoryahan na pwede man silang umiwas sa 4.1 nautical miles na sira po maagi. Alagad po sa niyan, diri po nato ini naimod na isusunod nira, kaya padagos man gihapon ang distroso sa mga paralawod ta na mga saraday, lalo pa na nagiging kahaditan sa ato mga sakayan na saraday na base kung umabot sa punto na sira po mabungguan. So, I hope kay Committee on Agriculture, Kagawad Valeriano, na lugod matabangan mi na duwa para mas mahatagan po ini sin solusyon na ini po na sakuya po yung privilege niyan. So, Mr. Chair, salamat po. Maama lang po tabian sa ako po masasabi.
Salamat po, Honorable Rodalilio.
We now go to adjournment, Your Honor.
Second.
Honorable Chito Hao.
Motion to adjourn.
Pursuant to the motion of Honorable Chito Hao, seconded by all SP members, the session is hereby officially adjourned, Tabi.